and there is the total cost for the month of January for each person. Now, what I can do, I can block the cells from A1 to E1, and I can go up to the alignment group in the home tab on the ribbon. I can click on it, and it is merge and center. I can say month, the January um, income, if I want income for the person who is using the spreadsheet, right? And I can block the cells from A1 through to E6, and I can put some borders on it. So I go up to the font grouping in the home ribbon, home tab on the ribbon, and I click this down arrow, and I can select all borders, and here we have a nice um, border around our table, right? Now, if I wanted to do the month of February, I would click on this button that says new sheet. I click on it. Here we have a new sheet. We can right click, rename, and I can call this February table, right? Press enter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna zoom here, coming down so you can see a little bit better. All right, so we had this will be February. Okay, and we had last name. I'm gonna widen the width of the cell, and then we have first name, enter. I'm gonna widen the cell. All right, then we had quantity, then we had cost. All right, then we had what was the name of the total? All right, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna go total. All right, so the first last name, let us say Brown. And let's say the first name is Paul. I'm gonna come again to this cell. Let's say the name is Chin, and the first name is Sam. Let's see, we have Farmer as a surname. We have Al as a first name. Then we have one more, Smith. Then we have Joe Smith. All right, so let's assume that Paul Brown ordered 2 items in the month of February. This person ordered 23. This person ordered 11. This person ordered 21 items. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to get the cost from the monthly cost spreadsheet. So we're going to click on the cell D4 where we want to get the cost in, and we're going to type equal. Then we're going to come and click the spreadsheet labeled monthly cost. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to select B5 because that is the cell that is aligned to A5, which has a month February. So we click on it, press enter, and then when we come here now, we can click on the cell D4. Then we're going to remember if you move the fill handle and you click on it and drag it down, you're gonna get the values. So 50 was for March, 300 was for April, and 400 was for May, right? We don't want that. We just want the value for February because this sheet is the table for February specifically. So I'm gonna undo. Then I'm gonna come up to the formula bar. I'm gonna make it absolute. So I'm gonna put a dollar sign in front of B, a dollar sign in front of A, and this now would now be absolute. The cell on the sheet entitled monthly costs, right? It will be the cell B5 will be fixed, right? So we press enter, right? And now when we click on the cell D4, when we move the cursor until we see the fill angle and we drag it down, we'll get the $100 for each person, right? So we're going to format the cell. So we right click, format cells, we go to currency, we accept the 2 decimal places and we want it in this format and not necessarily this format. So we select the format that we want and press OK. All right, so to get the total cost, we'll type a formula. So we'll write equal cell C4 times cell D4. Enter. All right. So 2 times 100 is $200. So what we're gonna do, instead of typing the formula for each of these cells, we can copy down the formula, right? Can autofill the formula going down. So if we move the cursor until we see the plus sign, which is the fill handle, if we click on it with the left mouse button and drag it down, we'll autofill the formula that we typed in E4, right? So if we adjust the width here, this is the cost, right? So what we'll do, we'll label February, what did I call this on that table again? What, February income? All right, so this will be February income, enter. What we're gonna do now is merge and center the title for our table, which is February income. So we block the range of cells from A2 through E2. Then we come up to the alignment group in the home tab ribbon and we click merge and center, right? Then if you want to put the borders on it, we select the range of cells from A2 through to E7, and then we come up to the font grouping and we select this drop down arrow for the borders and we click all borders. And then this is a table with the borders applied. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, I showed you how to link different sheets in a Excel workbook. So thanks for joining us and please take care until then. We have come to the end of part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic how to link different spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we'll be looking at programming. Specifically, we're looking at the while loop. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.